Good morning, students. Today we will be discussing a very important topic from the phylum Porifera, that is canal system in sponges. Myself, Balram Sain, Assistant Professor in Zoology, Government Dunga College, Bikaner. Canal system in sponges. The body of the sponges is traversed by numerous canal openings to the outside by minute pores. These canals and pores of the sponges constitute the canal system. The other components of the canal system are ostia, incurrent canals, prosopiles, radial canals, apopiles, spongocele, and osculum. Functions of canal system. The canal system creates a water current to flow in and out of the sponges continuously. This water current has the following functions. First, respiration. The cells absorb oxygen from the water current and gives out carbon dioxide. Nutrition. The water current brings in food particles. Excretion. Nitrogenous waste products and fecal matter are washed out by the water current. Reproduction. The water current carries the sperms from one sponge to the another sponge. Types of canal system. There are four types of canal system. First is the Ascon type, Cyclone type, Ragon type, and Leucon type. Now we will discuss one by one. Ascon type. It is the simplest type of canal system. It is exhibited by sponges like Olianthus and Leucosolania. These animals are cylindrical in shape. The body wall is formed of three layers, namely an outer ectoderm, a middle mesenchyme, and an inner choanocytes. The wall contains many pores called ostia, which will be explained by the help of the diagram. These pores are intercellular because each pore is formed by the perforation of a single cell called porocyte. All the ostia open into a central cavity called spongocele, which is lined by choanocytes. These are the choanocytes and these are the flagellated cells. This is the choanoderm, this is mesenchyme, this is pinacoderm, this is the spongocele, opens to the outside through osculum. These are the dermal ostia through which water enters. The beating of the flagella of the choanocytes creates a water current. The water flows into the spongocele by the following route. Dermal pores, these are the dermal pores, dermal ostia, internal ostia, then spongocele, water enters into the spongocele, then goes outside through the osculum and released to the exterior. Cyclone type of canal system. This type of canal system is seen in Cyclone, Cycita, etc. There are two types of canal system in Cyclone type. First is the Cyclone type without cortex, Cyclone type with cortex. Cyclone type without cortex. This type, the Cyclone type without cortex type, is found in Cycita. It is derived from the Ascon type by the development of many finger-like projections. These are the finger-like projections. Outgrowths on the surface. These finger-like outgrowths are called incurrent canals. These finger-like projections are known as incurrent canals. The canals are lined with coenocytes. In the diagram, you can see they are lined by the coenocytes. But the spongiocele is lined with ectoderm. Between the radial canal, there is another canal called incurrent canal. These are the incurrent canal, and in between these are the radial canals. This one, these. So these are the incurrent canals and these are the radial canals. The incurrent canals open into the radial canals by minute pores called prosophiles. Incurrent canals opens into the radial canal by prosophiles. These are the prosophiles. The radial canal opens into the spongiocele by openings called epiphyles. The radial canal opens into this is the spongiocele. Radial canal opens into the spongioceles by apophyles. These are the apophyles. All these are apophyles. The spongiocele opens into the outside by osculum. This is the spongiocele which opens to the exterior side or outside by osculum. The water flows through the following route: incurrent canal, then by prosophiles it enters into the radial canal. From radial canal it goes to the apophyles. From apophyle, spongiocele to outside through osculum. So this is the route followed. Water enters into the incurrent canal. From incurrent canal it enters to the radial canal through prosophiles. From radial canal it enters into the spongiocele by apophyles. From apophyles the water has entered into the spongiocele, and from spongiocele it goes outside by the osculum. Next is Cyclone type canal system with cortex. This type is found in Cyclone. In addition to the previous, that is the Cyclone type without cortex, there are 4 additional features which are as follows. The epidermis and mesenchyme spread over the outer surface to form a cortex. Second, the free end of the incurrent canal open to the outside by minute pore holes, dermal ostia. These are the dermal ostia or dermal pores. The incurrent canal opens into the radial canal by opening called prosophiles. This is the incurrent canal. It opens into the radial canal by prosophiles. These are the prosophiles. The radial canal opens into the spongiocele by openings called apophyles. So these are the radial canal. From radial canal by the openings, these are the other openings which are known as apophyles. The water entered into the spongiocele. In this type of water, Cyclone type of canal system, the water current follows the following route: dermal ostium or dermal pores. Then it enters into the incurrent canals. These are the incurrent canals. From incurrent canals, these are the prosophiles. Through prosophiles, it enters into the radial canal. From radial canal, these are the apophyles. From apophyles, water enters into the spongiocele. From spongiocele, it goes to the outside through osculum. Thanks a lot for paying the attention, and the rest 2 types of canal system, that are the Ascon type and Cyclone type, will be discussed in the next series of lecture. Thanks a lot for paying the attention.